Latin America is a land of endless potential filled with young talents ready to change the world. Meet the dreamers, young minds with big ideas fueled by passion and a drive to make a difference. But every dream comes with its challenges. Many face daunting hurdles, limited access to resources, lack of capital, and the struggle to find the right guidance. These obstacles can stall progress and dim even the brightest dreams.
At Makers Fellowship, we transform dreams into reality through hands-on experience. Our fellows tackle real-world challenges, turning ideas into impactful solutions. Guidance is essential. Our personalized mentorship from experienced startup professionals helps fellows navigate complexities, overcome obstacles, and grow their ventures. Connections matter. We create opportunities for our fellows to network with industry leaders and like-minded peers, forging relationships that last a lifetime and open doors to new possibilities. It's about more than business growth. It's about personal transformation and community impact.
Makers Fellowship empowers the next generation of leaders, fostering growth that transcends boundaries and transforms communities across Latin America. Join us on this journey of transformation. Makers Fellowship, incubating the future leaders of Latin America.